Let's go, kids. Uwi na tayo. Ako po ay naatasan na bumili ng cat food. So, in true Shireen fashion, hindi ko bibilhin lang yung kung ano kailangan ko. Siyempre, bibili din ako ng gusto ko, di ba? And then, everything else I'm going to keep in my room except for my chicken breast. Puro lang naman ko ano guys eh. May soda addiction kasi ko. And then marshmallows, chips, alcohol. Yun lang. So sorry for the construction noises kasi ginagawa pa yung extension ng bahay. Di ko siya tapos. Yan. Yung nandyan, kabilang side nito ay kitchen. It's a bigger kitchen kasi as you can see, itong kitchen na to, hindi niya kayang ma-accommodate lahat ng appliances at ang dami. So, you have a bigger kitchen. On the other side, it's 2:39, pero magla-lunch pa lang ako. I was reading kanina, tapos hindi ko napansin yung oras. Tapos after na naligo pa ako. Hindi na tagal na. Siyempre after ko manito, nag-hair dryer pa ako. Hair dryer, blow dryer. Okay, here's my lunch. I usually get packed lunches like this from the office. So for today, I have my rice and egg. I have gulay and I have my protein. I don't know if you can see, but this is fish. Sinabawang fish. And then, hindi ko to alam kung ano to eh. Basta masarap to pag maanghang. That I actually want to do.
Look at it, the most adorable non-packaging ever. This is our Yame Monkey
Eat ka na.
Nutty Delicious Matcha. It is
No.
our world. Be ready to get it
No.
at 3 p.m. March 14th.
Nag-eat ka na eh. We're home, Mom! Hi, we arrived about an hour ago. Nilabas ko lang yung dogs pampalubag loob kasi nga babalik ako ng Manila bukas. So, you know, parang hindi sila maiwan, ganun. Right now, I'm just organizing my things. Yung mga dadalhin ko sa Manila. So, mostly lang dadalhin ko lang naman is yung gadgets ko. Laptop, iPad, Kindle phone, yung mga charger. And then, gym clothes. Mostly, dala ko gym clothes. Kasi, may gamit naman ako sa Manila. I mean, may damit ako sa Manila. Although, magsistay ako kay ate.
ベクハンターが押されてますね。それでもベク
I don't know if you can hear me, but it's 12:41. Like, I 1:50 now, so I think I still have an hour to finish my food. Ayoko na mag-film kasi gusto ko na makita sa music. Kaya, ititigil na natin to pag may main character natin na pag-film. At makikinig na lang ako sa album ni Jenny. Yay! I'm finally here. Medyo makalat lang yung condo ni ate. Kaya di natin ipapakita. I was stuck in traffic for, I think, 30-40 minutes sa service road. Ayun. Actually, pagkaliko namin, nag-order na ako agad ng food ko. Kasi grabe, nagugutom na ako. Feel ko kanina sa Grab, magpa-pass out na ako. Sa sobrang gutom. Pero feel ko, kulang na ako sa water. Bawal na daw. Papaalam mo pa mama, sasabihin ni mama. Palay! Ha? Palay! Ano na naman kang baba kami to? Para bang makita na nagdamo. Booms! Hi. I realized hindi ako nagsalita kahapon. Puro lang ako vid. So I enjoyed my time yesterday. Today, I'm going to get my hair done. Sana maging maayos na siya. I'm going to tone it down. I don't like my highlights anymore. It looks very messy and I'm going to get treatment kasi sobrang dry as fuck na niya. But first, I'm going to get breakfast. So, walang pagkain dito. This is my fit. The shirt is from my sister. Parang di nga siya na-plan siya. Pero sigaw ka na yan. And then, lounge pants from Uniqlo. Ang kalat, please don't mind it. And then, my earphones. Let's go! Hi! Oh my god! Guys, I know it's a bit drastic. But gusto ko talagang mag-natural hair color na. It looks black, pero I think after a few washes, magbo-brown na rin siya konti. Alam ko maraming sasabi, mas bagay sa'yo yung isang hair, yung hair mo before. Okay, alam ko yun. I want this hair. It's more plain. Feel ko ano na lang ako, average person. Hindi ako baddie. Just got home from the gym. I had some very embarrassing interactions. Ngayon na lang nakapag-gym. After last ko November pa, before boards. It was nice. I feel good about myself.